Aweber has stood firm since the time of its creation in 1998. Hi, Constantin Obreja here, founder of Cashflow Expire channel. I'm an affiliate marketer for over 2 years by now, and in today's video I decided to review an email marketing tool which is used by more than 100,000 businesses out there. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload new videos like this. In the same time, make sure to stay till the end because I'll reveal to you how you could get some free bonuses if you decide to use Aweber. This basically all started from Curzer's Apartments, but it has advanced to its roots as a large facility offering slides as a great alternative to common elevators. But then what is Aweber? This is the leading email marketing software for small businesses. It has operated for 2 centuries, helping several customers to connect to their prospects. It is the leading US-based customer support software with the ability to create responsive landing pages, sending amazing emails, loading and managing contacts, and also analyzing every result that chips in without much tech waste. The program works closely to over 1,000 partner software solutions to allow different users to integrate seamlessly with different apps and services they rely on their growth and operation. There is a 30 days free trial to use who attain 500 subscribers at large. There is a list-based plan available after the introductory month. Users with prepaid plans for 3 months to this save $8, while those to do this on an annual basis will enjoy $34 in savings. However, Aweber started inclusion of a credit card to users who use the trial plan as well. So after a month, if you feel you don't want to stick to it, it's better to manually cancel it. The program got designed with superb features, especially the autoresponder. Below are some of the features it incorporates. First of all, editor. The WYSI-WYG drag and drop editor are providing over 700 templates to users at large. All these use the responsive design to view everything displayed on mobile devices. Likewise, users have the opportunity to code on templates in HTML or create messages in plain text format. Secondly, the follow-up series. Users also have an opportunity to create chains of autoresponders all through. Intervals between the messages can be set up to 999 days at large. You can also start subscribers if you wish at a different point. Each of your lists can be set up by separate follow-up series as you copy them as they pop up between lists. Third, list segmentation. Subscribers would love the most tailored content all through. Users can segment their list to deliver their clients this. Any criteria can be employed to segment lists. This can be even by let's say the birthday month, individual who specify their interest or on the sign up form, or even their location. Fourth, send window. Send windows based on the time zone of a subscriber. You can schedule everything to be sent to a particular time of the day. Since subscribers can be in a different part of the world, this is a nice feature to get alerted when they are present. Pros offer several templates full of customizable features, offer excellent customer service, easy to use. As a cons, I will charge high monthly rates. Conclusion, Aweber is an excellent in many areas, especially to businesses that employ autoresponders. Everything can work in the background as you take on the other important activities at large. It has excellent features that make it step high to consider. If you enjoy my video, make sure to like it, and I would love to hear from you in a comment below. Plus, if you decide to go ahead and purchase a subscription to Aweber using the link above, please follow the steps on the description to get your free bonuses. Thank you for watching, and I look to see you on the very next video.